Welcome to Archiesense. This monsoon cabin presents the concept of a sanctuary in a remote location in the mountains. With limited access, the cabin offers an escape from city life, creating both challenge and charm. Located in the western Ghats of Maharashtra, India, the cabin's location takes advantage of the unique orographic monsoon weather pattern, with views of the green hills and the sacred Indrayani river. This location was a key consideration in the cabin's design. The ground floor offers an open kitchen and living area with panoramic views. The staircase design is the centerpiece of the space, connecting areas with functional flexibility, while the furniture creates a relaxed atmosphere to enjoy the surroundings. The cabin is designed to enjoy and protect from the rain, with an A-shaped box that blends into the landscape. The simple structure minimizes its environmental footprint by building only the necessary elements. The main materials are steel and weather-resistant metal, providing high resistance to rain and wind conditions. The interior combines industrial and rustic elements, with optimal natural lighting during the day and a warm atmosphere at night. The upper floor is a minimalist suite with river views and skylights for natural light and stargazing. The cabin is designed to blend with nature, providing a contrasting experience to urban life. The cabin becomes an inspiring escape for creative professionals, offering a space that focuses on the landscape and nature experience. With the principle of dream big, build small, this cabin shows the importance of building only what is needed to maintain the integrity of nature.